It's 2026, and if you are still typing notes manually and spending hours on Google, you're already far behind. That 1% of students aren't smarter than you. They just know these three hacks that you don't. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm showing you exactly what you need to automate your studies, from researching to writing to avoiding being flagged for plagiarism. For the first step of your automation journey, take your course syllabus and then paste it into ChatGPT, prompting it as an academic planner. Let it instantly break down the entire semester into manageable or even hourly study routines. Yeah, this saves you time from 3 hours of hectic planning to 30 seconds. Now that you have your academic syllabus for the semester broken down, it's time for step 2, the research. Stop using Google for essays. It's clustered with ads, SEOs, and spam. Instead, use this Perplexity AI. It is a fast and responsible artificial intelligence that gives you cited sources. Yeah, you heard me. Unlike other standard AIs, Perplexity gives you real-time academic citations. You can then click on these links to verify the source. This is how I used to conduct my research, saving over 70% while keeping my own bibliography accurate. Believe me when I say Perplexity AI is a game changer in terms of conducting research. Step 3 now, taking the notes. During your lecture, stop trying to write down every single word. You will miss the context. Instead, focus on listening and using the voice to text to capture the ideas. So once you have the raw ideas, feed them back into ChatGPT with the prompt below. Convert these notes into the kernel note-taking system. This is what it does for you. It automatically separates the key concepts, clues, and summaries for you. Lastly, the automation loop. You start by prompting ChatGPT to schedule the syllabus plans for you. Then you use Perplexity, on the other hand, to find the cited sources for you if you are conducting research. And finally, you have ChatGPT to structure your notes, leaving you with more time to focus on understanding the more complex topics better. Just remember not to use AI to write your final essay. Professors and institutions tend to have AI detectors, and simply it isn't worth the risk. Use these tools to build the structure and then find the research. But remember to write your final essay yourself. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Remember to click the like and subscribe for more must-know hacks.